Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 2922. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy and scan. What I want to do is to show you how to install ink cartridges and also show you how to load papers, A4 and 4x6 photo paper. You switch the printer on and off from this button. So once you switch the printer on, you need to wait until the screen is showing and also the panel, the Wi-Fi light is highlighting. So once you can see the two lines for the ink cartridges, then you open up the ink access door. So open this cover, then open the cover. You wait, the ink cartridges holder will position itself on the center. So we're going to install the ink cartridges. This printer uses ink 308, black and triple colors. So remove this plastic. This is triple color ink cartridge and it goes to the left. So once you go in, then pull it up. Do the same thing to the black. Remove this plastic. Then you go in, pull it up. Then close the cover. Then you look on the ink cartridge. You see on the LCD screen, you will see the two lines for the ink are now full up. And the warning light right here is gone off. There was a warning light here. If you want to remove the ink, open the cover. Then you wait for the ink holder to position itself to the center. To replace the ink, to remove it, use one finger, put it on top, pull it down to remove the ink. If you close it, then you go back on the screen, you see that the warning light is highlighting and also the two lines are now empty. So there's a warning light here to show you that the ink cartridge are empty. Now we're going to put it back. So take the colored one, go to the left. The black goes to the right. And close the cover. The light is gone off and the warning light is gone off, and you can see the two lines for the ink gauges. Now we're going to load the paper. So we'll start with 4x6 photo paper. If you want to load 4x6, you need to make sure the smooth part of the paper, this is 4x6, the smooth part need to face up, the rough part need to be at the back. This is how to load 4x6 photo paper. Then close this. This is 4x6. We'll show you 4x6. Now we're going to load A4. So for the 4x6, the smooth part need to face up. The rough part need to be at the back for you to print photo paper. So this is A4. So before you load paper, you need to move this blue paper holder all the way to the left side at the end. This is A4 paper. Then you go in, then adjust it. So now it's going to print out alignment page. So it's printing out alignment paper. Then take the paper, alignment paper printed out, so stick it on the top of the glass scanner. Make sure you start from the bottom right, then close the cover, then you select copy color, and this light is still highlighting, so it's going to scan the alignment paper. Once it's done, this light highlighting on the power button will stop once the alignment is completed. So once you put the paper, then select black or copy color, press it once, and you can see the light is off. Then you remove the paper and discard it. This is how to load paper, install ink, and also complete alignment. Thank you very much indeed.